Okay.
My mom
Okay. Now.
was like, because she was hitting my mom was like mimicking her, and it was like cracking her up. And then I was like, you fake hiccup, she'll smile.
Do it again, Mom.
I forgot about that.
Aww.
I don't know how comfortable it would be.
That's so much.
奇怪啊。